can't wait to wash my hair. This is not cute. Oh. Hey guys, Shaph Sassy here. I know you're probably wondering why the hell am I so far, but my hair needs to be done. And I don't want to cream it too early, so I'm gonna just keep my distance so y'all can see up my edges. And then judge me like, Shaph, what you gonna do here? No, I'm not about that life, so let me just keep my distance. You know what I'm saying? Yes, so I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial for you guys today. Okay, so I was planning to do this really purple glittery, oh my god, it's just breathtaking, and it's from Palma makeup. I'm gonna spell that out for you right here because you know what I'm saying, girl. This is the look right here. It is so bomb. Do you see that? Oh my god. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. I'm ready to get all purpley. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. We're gonna be going back a little bit, okay? In 604 milk, that's the whitest one that they have. And I do not have a sharpener for this, so wish me luck. Okay, great. So I'm gonna use my finger. No lie, we're gonna be going in with this shade right here from Coastal Scents. We're gonna be going in with some Coastal Scents paint pots. I think we're gonna be going in with this purple right here. So the same shade that I used in the crease, this deep purple here, I'm gonna just put it on my lids, and then I'm gonna be putting some glitter on my lips. This is from Glitter Injections. Yeah, Glitter Injection. Pretty Lilac Liar. All right, we're gonna be using the Ben Nye Glitter Glue. So I don't know if you guys can see, but like in her, oh, like it kind of looked dark at the, you know, the ends right here. So I'm gonna be mixing the purple that I had used on my lid along with some black eyeshadow and darkens my lap a little way. See the difference? Alright, Now it's time to blend that out so it doesn't look so rigid, you know? Go back in with the same color that you had used in the crease. Oh wait there, sit down. Just blend it out. Just put it at the end. And remember to carry it all the way down so it can join. We don't reach underneath the eye as yet, so just cool. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera. From my palette right here. This shade, just from my brow bone. We're going in lightly with it. Nothing too serious. I'll be using my handy dandy Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 368 Deep Golden. I'm gonna be going in with my Black Walnut from Black Opal. Sacha Buttercups, and I'm using this thing with a black beauty, the same damn beauty blender. I realized I've been liking it because I feel like people have been using this product so wrong, you know, and it just gets out of control. So I use it with my damp beauty blender. So I dip it in there, take off the excess, even do that sometimes. Anyway, goatee. And I'm gonna play that baking game there, you know why? Because should I go something there? No, it's so cute. I'm all about life. Yeah. It even look too harsh now. But anyway. Wait, how we can fix that? Go over that with your L'Oreal Infallible, whatever foundation, powder product you have will be fine. See that just tone it down immediately. I'm gonna be using my LA Color Jumbo pencil. I haven't used this in so long, but I'm gonna blend myself like into it. Anyway, to make my life easier, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Eye Studio eyeshadow in Blackest Black. Yeah. So I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline Grip. Maybelline! You were doing it in my kit. Oh my god. Okay, so Maybelline Great Lash. Wow, that's a lot of Maybelline products. Oh my goodness. It's the favorite part. Alright, so my face, wow. My face really feels dry, so I'm gonna go in with some of these right here. The Mario Badescu. We're gonna go with that. Badescu, right, okay. Spritz. What's a spritz if it's... I just always seem to be getting this shit in my mouth, yo. Oh my god. And I always like to... don't let this stuff go in your mouth. Although it smells good, it don't taste good. It don't taste good, it don't taste good. I just went underneath my eyes with the Maybelline Blackest Black, and now I'm gonna set it with the same black eyeshadow that we use in our crease like this. And then I'm going to be blending that out and adding the same purple that we had on our lid underneath it so it can look seamless. You know what I'm saying, girl? I'm gonna be using this NYX eyeliner. NYX lip liner. Don't know the shade because it's early, like. Alright, so we're gonna be going in with this Build Cosmetics lippy that I don't know what's the name of it because it rubbed off. Okay, so anyway, this is the shade. Alright, so I saw where she had an inner glow, not inner glow like from within, I mean like a glow in her inner eye. Seriously, she's Mario, better school. Oh my god. Spraying it on a small angled brush, going into the cork of our Artist Couture Conceited shade. Woo, Jesus, have mercy. Okay, so we're gonna be going in with this eyeshadow thingy from Maybelline New York. Rubbing it. Rub all the excess because this is hella shine. Ooh, yes, baby. Blow me up. That glow is nice. It's nice and subtle. The thing I don't really like about this spray is that the spray particles are huge, you know, like when you spray from a bottle and you can hardly feel it because, well, you feel it, but like unless you spray it in one position, but like you actually feel them, yeah. And to be honest, like I feel like it gives me a dewy finish, this spray. So it's not bad. I've never really owned a Fix Plus, so this is my substitute. Maybe I'm gonna add some glow particles in it. So maybe like from the Artist Couture, I'm gonna add some glow in it. I like it, it's really nice. And it smells amazing. So you guys should probably get this. I got it from Murmur, as I said earlier. So y'all can go snatch that. Tell them who sent you, girl. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. You guys can try this, and if you do recreate this look, don't forget to tag me and tag this lovely makeup artist right here because I did get it from them. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for tuning in. You didn't have to, but you did, and I'm grateful. See you next week for another video.